Today, let's talk about this Hope label. Some ideas related to the Raspberry Pi. First of all, this Raspberry Pi deploys my stack of documents. Then Shengcheng Pi deployed some other services. The last video talked about the small host of x86 again. EMD's chip architecture. Debian-based open source backend deployed this open source payment with 12 watts of BTC Pay. Then used the front-end view framework. Prepare to write a killer website. Then the important thing is, previously, I mentioned the deployment of WordPress blogs. I don't update every day, but I will update it from time to time, especially when you need documentation like this. I'll update the content. Go record it. It's just an everyday. I also post long YouTube videos and short videos. It's completely self-media. I have to keep making videos, concept content, including this unattended live stream of my FRPG or a live YouTube stream. It also counts as self-media. Then you can understand as I'm currently renting at $60 a month. Then the water and electricity are about $20 or $30. This remote, rural areas, my main career is full-time YouTube. Short videos through its long videos. And this live broadcast comes and goes to earn a certain amount of income. Cover my cost of living. But I found I don't like full-time to create some content and some editing. Because one day you don't update, your content will be forgotten. And then your payoff stops. So we have to do something that has a certain amount of accumulation. That means you can do it for a year. Do it for a day. You can reuse this thing for a year or 10 years. You just need to keep going to maintain, to add a little functionality. You can treat them for a long time. Get a little income. This form of blogs, for example, also completely this pure content self-media. And I have 10 years of experience as a programmer. I should prefer to develop independently. The nature of the home label, that I can provide a static site for my own deployment. The backend of the database I deployed myself deployed a payment gateway to complete my SARS, or independent website development. It and my full-time YouTube, the creation of information. No conflict at all. I can document the features I want in my independent development, the development process, and the final outcome. I can even demo and promote my website, because even if you are a fully independent developer, you still have to promote it. Okay, we're missing one thing. Up, right, left. That is to say, well, this strategy is suitable for me. People with some experience in program development. If you have no experience in programming, I hope you can make one. Own this website. For example, made with a, but I don't recommend that you go specifically like me. Do this independent development because he does need a few years of experience. You can get down to this, no matter the concept of front-end or back-end, the concept of Linux server. You have to learn and understand for ordinary people. It's very difficult and relatively complex. Although there is AI blessing. And this is the watershed that I want to talk about today. I was before today. I also plan to keep adding a certain amount to long videos. Then let it amount. Reaching daily can increase my ratio. Let's say this plan of doubling, tripling, and tenfold the benefits. But I found that the first 2 days, I don't have my own core business. And the core of this content, if I go and make this video, it will look very empty and powerless. For example, my current shot, I only shoot my own home label and the occasional shot of myself, but it didn't work. It doesn't have a particular story setting. There's no emotional value. Only talk to yourself on this camera. And then what I'm going to do now, content creation from a full-time YouTube blogger, as well as WordPress graphic creation, plus an independent development, especially when, say, outside now, you see this door. It's getting dark. Then let's say at night, if your sound installation is not very good, then at this time, you are only suitable for blogging, graphics, and writing code. And if you write code, it's almost completely silent, except on the keyboard. You can listen to music with headphones on. You can write code in peace. This is the time to eat, drink, and play during the day. Writing code at night, blogging, reading books, editing videos. This is my plan. Then I said before, I also write, my WordPress blog deployment is complete. The integrated Google Ads has been completed. I used FMPG to push the stream, and the live broadcast is also completed. Then I used XMR for that Monero, this picture frame of this virtual currency. Also tested without solar energy, totally at a loss. So my test was successful, but I give up the current configuration. Because he not only doesn't make money, he loses money. It can only be said that there will be suitable light energy in the future: solar, water, and heat. Some other cases of free power supply, I can consider the virtual currency of Montycoin. Currency, mining, but now I don't think about it. Then the fourth one, the fifth, is to sell ebook. Sell courses and write your own paid website. That is, you can write free tourists. Experience some free features. Then some landing tours, logged in user. Experience some resources are relatively tight, some features with higher performance. Paid members can unlock all features, like AI, large model, or some other high-demand server. This function. Then limit the number of times he uses it per day, members only. Then the member I currently choose does not need to register. No audit required. You don't need to do something 7788. The other operation is virtual currency, Bitcoin payment. So this is the demographic that I'm targeting. So let's say you have Bitcoin. Yes, you can pay for me, buy my VIP or buy my stuff. Then no, then you are not my customer. You can buy Bitcoin yourself to pay for it. But I won't care too much about your payment method. Because for me, I use this x86 small host. Go and add my Debian backend with VOE. Add my bits to this service of Shawan on this tiny mainframe. The ability to deploy a killer website, already a great thing. Then I just need to receive a reward from the basic crowd. Just maintain my basic life. I don't expect him to achieve much. And he's just one part of my business. So as of now, my home label Raspberry Pi deployed a personal WordPress blog. Navigation toolstation promotion commission deployed. It's just a static site. Deployed the live stream of my FMP. Deployed this door of mine, cryptocurrency mining. Then on the small x86 host, deployed Superbase open source. The backend deploys a gateway for Bitcoin payments. Plus this static site of worry-free to make a SARS later. Then after this period, I'll give you a few more thoughts and future plans. And what did you do that day? And then, for example, a new feature added to the website. A new effect added a little style, like a new ebook or something, or a new paid member. I can follow up synchronously here. If you have any good ideas, you can also leave a message in the comment area. Let's say you also want to become an indie developer. You also want to have one of your own that you can log into. SARS websites that can be paid for. The old rules end at the end.